Good morning, Indira Shah here. Today I'll be making dal dokli. This is the dal, Gujarati dal. If you want the recipe, you have to refer my previous video. Okay, you in YouTube channel for Gujarati dal. Okay, this is the Gujarati dal, and here this is the masala parota dough. Okay, this is the masala parota dough. You can refer this in my previous YouTube channel. Okay, so we call this as dal dokli. This will be a very tasty item. Okay, so you have to make roti now, thin rotis. Yeah, you can make thin rotis. It should be thin. Dal is on. Okay, the stove is on. Now this parota, here you have to cut them into thin strips. And again cut them into small pieces. Now drop these in the dal. Trust me, this will be very tasty to eat. This should be just eaten as it is. Okay? If you want, you can add little onion pieces. That's all. Otherwise, dal dokli is just eaten like that. This can be eaten for dinner. Today we will be eating this for lunch. So let me make one more and show you. I'll just tell you what I have. I have taken wheat flour. Okay, 2 wheat flour. I have added salt, then sugar, then haldi, then red chilli powder. And then I have added about 2 to 3 spoons of oil, and then after adding oil you have to add water to make a tight dough like this. The dough should be tight, but it should be soft at the same time. Okay, because when you roll this, it should not give crack. It should not become brittle, I mean. So now again make thin strips. This item is called as dal dokli. This will be very tasty. Usually while eating, we add raw groundnut oil. Just a spoon, that gives a good taste. The flame should be low. I can add about 4 to 5 rotis here. So making Gujarati dal is very easy because there is no grinding of anything. Now let me make one more. Here I dropped about 4 doklis. Okay. Now let me add little water because we have to allow this to boil. Okay, it should thicken. The roti what we have added, that should boil. So this will take around 15 to 20 minutes minimum. Okay, I'll come back to you once this is boiled. Here, dal dokli is ready. See, all the doklis have been cooked well with good peanuts, and then the methi dhana, that is the methi seeds. Wow, when you eat, when you get that methi dana well cooked, wow, that will be really awesome. Let me just put it in a bowl and show you. Here, dal dokli is ready for eating. Trust me, this will be very tasty, very nice. For a change, you can prepare it and eat it. Anytime this can be eaten, either for lunch or for dinner. This is a very healthy dish in fact. So for dal you can see my previous video for dal. So thank you very much for seeing my channel in the name of Indira Shah. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like and the bell button. And when you eat this, you can add just a spoon of raw oil in fact. Groundnut oil tastes better. If you don't have groundnut oil, any oil, or if you want to omit oil, yes you can. Okay, so thank you very much again. Bye bye.